Indoor air pollution can be 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor pollution, meaning that our lungs have to work harder, even when we are at home. What's even more surprising is that researchers have identified a unique compound in a common legume that can support lung health and aid the body in repairing cellular damage. Multiple studies have shown that people who regularly include this legume in their diet experience improved respiratory function and reduced inflammation within just a few weeks. The catch? Most people cook this legume in a way that destroys its most powerful lung-supporting nutrients. They miss out on the one preparation secret that ancient healers used to unlock their full respiratory benefits. But don't worry, in this video, I will reveal what this legume is and demonstrate the exact ancestral method that maximizes its lung-supporting properties. Alright, let's dive in. What is this legume? I'm talking about lentils, prepared using a traditional soaking and gentle cooking technique that preserves and activates their most effective lung-supporting compounds. Dozens of peer-reviewed studies back this approach. The science. Lentils are rich in polyphenols, particularly proanthocyanidins and isoflavones, as well as magnesium, potassium, and dietary fiber. Research published in journals such as Nutrients and Frontiers in Nutrition suggests that the polyphenols present in lentils exhibit strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help protect lung tissue from oxidative stress and inflammation caused by air pollution, smoking, and other environmental toxins. A 2022 review in Nutrients highlights that regular consumption of legumes, such as lentils, is associated with improved lung function and a reduced risk of chronic respiratory diseases, including asthma and COPD. The antioxidants in lentils, such as flavonoids and saponins, help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the airways. Additionally, lentils are a good source of magnesium, providing about 71 milligrams per 1/2 cup cooked, which accounts for about 15% of your daily value. Magnesium is essential for healthy lung function and may help relax bronchial muscles, making breathing easier. However, many of these beneficial compounds are locked away by anti-nutrients, such as phytic acid, and can be destroyed if not prepared correctly. How to prepare it? Here's the preparation method that unlocks lentils' full lung-supporting potential. Step 1. The soaking ritual. Measure out 1 cup or 200 grams of dried lentils. Rinse thoroughly, then soak in filtered water with 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice for 8 to 12 hours. This process reduces phytic acid and increases mineral bioavailability. Step 2. Gentle cooking. Drain and rinse the soaked lentils. Add them to a pot with 2 cups or 480 milliliters of fresh water. Simmer gently on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, just until tender. Avoid boiling at high temperatures, as this can degrade heat-sensitive antioxidants. Step 3. The ancient amplifier. While the lentils are still warm, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. Curcumin from turmeric works synergistically with lentil polyphenols, and black pepper improves curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. How to use it? Take 1/2 cup or 100 grams of your prepared lentils in the morning on an empty stomach, and another 1/2 cup 2 hours before bedtime. Always prepare fresh batches every 2 to 3 days and store leftovers in the refrigerator. Never skip the soaking step. This is essential for maximizing nutrient absorption and lung benefits. Many people notice easier breathing and reduced coughing within a few days to weeks, with ongoing improvements as part of a balanced diet. So, as you could see, lentils are one of the best foods for healthy lungs. Try this approach and share your experience in the comments. I would love to hear your results. To ensure optimal lung health and function, be sure to watch this video as well. See you and stay healthy.